Hey guys, Elise here, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishies. So we're doing biggest to smallest. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe or like or comment. Okay? So, yeah. First we have this bun emoji squishy. You can see how squishy it is. So yeah. These are from Thailand or Japan or Tokyo. I don't really know. So yeah. Really squishy. Next we have this bun squishy. Really squishy. See that? There you go. It's really cool. I brought it to school, so it's kind of a little bit dirty, but I don't mind that. It's still really squishy. Next, I have this emoji squishy. Sorry if the face is coming off. It was just like that. These are actually gifts from someone. So, yeah. Really squishy. You don't even know how squishy it is. It's so light. Like, you could put it in your pocket, and, like, in class, you just squish it. That's what I did. So, like, yeah. And then, I have this cute one. It's, like, this little emoji bun. Also, I have this Eat Me squishy. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, what's... Here it says Eat Me. I don't know if you can see it because in the camera it's upside down, but in real life it's just like... Okay, next, this is like this bread one. On this other side, there's like a face, but like it came off when I bring it to school. So like, yeah. So my friends did that. I'm like really friends. Are you kidding me? I also have to show you my LSP collection, LPS collection. Okay. Really squishy. Could you hear it? It's kind of a little bit sticky. It's more like an SML. Now I have this bread one. The face kind of came off, but yeah, my friends did that. Oh, this is the worst one. So I brought this one to school. It's a tiny turtle, super squishy. Did you see it? And guess what? Yep. My friends did that. So like, yeah. And I got this donut one. Really cute. Really squishy. Some of the sprinkles came off. Like they're coming off right now, but yeah. And yeah, this is the cloth bag. I know, I'll just show you it. Okay, let me put them in here and I'll show you my LSP collection that I just got today. Yesterday. And I get, after this I'll show you all my play sets I have. They're over there. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the background noises. Okay, so we have this pony one. You can see on that side it has a white circle around its eyes, and then this side, yeah. So its head's move, and then like there's like this hole at the bottom of every character, so you could hang them onto a playset like that. What? Making a video. What? Making a YouTube video. Where do you want to put this? Sorry guys, I had to talk to my mom about something. Where to put my LSP set. So here it is. It has a white circle on here, on its eye, and that right here. And it has a little saddle. Next we have one little Puma one. It's purple, and it got a little tail, so you could get your roller wheels and just put them here and put them in their little hands. If you don't know what a roller wheel is, it's just like, it's an LSP, but it's like in a ball, like that. Yeah, like in this, so like, yeah, basically that. And, wait, let me show you. Okay, oh, there's this cute one. Okay, so this is Sprinkles. I named him Sprinkles. It's a hamster. It's really cool. Same as the pony one. It has like a white one, remember? And this one has like a brown spot inside. Has cute little hair. And all of them have at the back have this LSP, LPS. So like, yeah. Then we have this cute fox one. Yep. And so yeah, it's really cute. Same. Also, I'm making a custom one. It's drying outside. So yeah. So you can see it says LSP. It's a little doggy, little turtle. I was gonna use them for the Cinderella one, but like it would fail because I can't do like special effects. Yeah, all I could put is like music, like it's playing music right now. And yeah, that's all I could do. Then we have this cute, and last but not least, we have this cute little guinea pig. So yeah. All of them, their heads could move. So yeah, it's really cute. But I have to go do something. So yeah, I got this necklace. I think I could put this around their neck, their OSPs. Could like make it into a sweater. So yeah. So I'll probably do it to the fox one. Okay, I don't know what wick I like. I did a total fail to the bear LSP that's drying outside, so like, yeah. Sorry if it's really quiet. Not that quiet because it sounds over there. Sorry if you hear weird sounds, because like, yeah. I got them at Toys R Us. So, yeah. I guess this counts. Yeah. It doesn't really count, so I'm just going to take it. Also, you should follow my LSP set world. She's the one who got me into LSPs. So if you want to see more LSP videos, like and subscribe if you want me to do more LSPs videos, and also every video I have to say one YouTuber in you know, every YouTuber. So you have to Well, in the comments below, you have to say which YouTube intro one. Okay. Okay. This one is the one that started me to be in YouTube. So yeah, I might say the name. So like, yeah. So every day I'll be doing this. Hey guys, it's Dan from the Diamond Minecart. Okay. Okay, I know everybody's gonna do this one. Okay. I know everybody's gonna like say Dan to you. Okay, I just said it. Okay, I'll just do another one. Hey guys, it's Mark here. Okay. I didn't say their channel. So, bye guys!